Well, I have seen crazier. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is my first video of 2023, so happy New Year's to all of you, and thank you for all the views and all the comments from the past year. It's been a wild ride, and today is no different. I've got a video that I wish I didn't have to make, but unfortunately it's something that needed to be seen, and I was going to explain it to you guys in case you run into the same issue. So the sunroof in my Model 3 is cracked. I'm taking it into Tesla to have them swap it out with a new piece of glass. So I'm not sure how you can see this, but yeah, if you see right there, there's a hairline crack that goes from the front and it goes back here, but it also branches off in spider webs over to here. This was caused by a rock chip, and you can't really see on camera too well, but I can see it's actually spider web pretty bad here. Let me get the camera to focus on my finger maybe. Yeah, look at that. So yeah, it's actually shattered. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it in. Expecting this is gonna be a little over $1,000, guys. I'm just gonna bypass insurance and just pay it out of pocket, but still it sucks right after Christmas. I don't know if you can see, but right there is the crack where it starts, and I believe this was caused by a rock chip. I can see a point of impact right there. It looks like a rock chip came and shattered that, and it's just spider webbed here all the way back. So I'm taking the car into Tesla now. They're telling me it's probably going to take a couple hours for them to do this, so I'm just going to wait in the waiting room unless they can get me in a loaner. But I'll give you an update when we're out. All right, the car's back home now. Tesla recommended that I leave the tape on for like a day, and they also said that I've got maybe 2 or 3 days before I should wash the car. So I actually just washed it, but I just washed the doors and the trunk area where it was dirty. The roof is fine right now. So yeah, we're back, all put together again. All right, so it's been a few days. It's gotten quite foggy out here. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the tape. It's been on for a while, unnecessarily. Doesn't need to stay on that long, but I've just been lazy. So you may be asking, how much did this glass cost? Well, let's go over the bill real quick. So looking at the bill, it looks like the parts and materials needed is $906, and the labor cost is $150.50. And tax here in Illinois is $67.96, so that brings the grand total to $1,124.46. All right, so yes, that did suck quite a bit, but I am glad that we got it done before a lot of cold weather, just because once it starts raining and snowing and all that, you'll get moisture down in the little crevices of the crack, and then when the temperatures go up and down, it'll start to expand, contract, and you'll get even more cracking, possibly some leaking. So I'm glad we got this done. If you've got a crack similar to that, you may want to look into getting that one repaired as soon as you can as well. All right, well, that was all just a short video to kind of explain the cost of having to replace a glass roof on a Tesla Model 3. Let me know if you've gone through this process already as well. Did you pay something similar to that? And if you'd like to support the channel and help reimburse my pocketbook, you can go to BecauseTeslaStreetwear.com and purchase a Tesla-inspired t-shirt. They're all pretty cool, designed by me, and like I said, it does help the channel quite a bit. All right, guys, thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys in the near future. If you like the video, let me know by hitting the thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more of this crazy Tesla adventure, make sure you hit that subscribe button. You'll be notified when a new video is out, and I will see you guys really soon. Take care.